Inside the courtroom.
Miss Gray, Miss Gray, would you please give your full name for the record, ma'am? Arthur Woodring.
Thank you.
Yes, to plead guilty to disorderly person. My understanding that that plea is to be taken, or the recommendation is for it to be taken.
Yep.
771.1 for a period of 6 months, Your Honor. Ms. Gray is currently on probation. Her probation officer is here, and her probation officer is aware of this incident, Your Honor.
Thank you. How long have you been on probation?
It just started.
So you were on probation, or this happened before you were on probation?
Yeah.
Right, all right. So have you discussed your rights and options with counsel?
Yes.
Do you understand those rights and the options they give you? Do you understand the possible penalty for the charge of disorderly person? Understanding all of this, are you pleading guilty to the charge freely and voluntarily? On October 24, tell me what happened that makes you think you're guilty.
I think it was October 23rd, Your Honor, I believe. No, 24th.
Offense date in the file says 24. Could be a typo. Let's see what the appearance ticket says.
October 23rd, 2024, when I burned in the city of Romulus on that date. Yes. And ma'am, were you part of a disturbance at the McDonald's on or around 9777 South Wayne Road? Yeah. And were did your actions that day cause the peace and quiet to be disturbed of the people that were at that McDonald's? Yes.
You satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
So am I. What should I know about Miss Gray before I sentence?
Your Honor, Ms. Gray currently lives with a friend in Farmington. As indicated, she is currently on probation. She did just go down to speak with court employees regarding her outstanding balances, Your Honor. So
Good.
she's expected to be on top of that.
Good.
She's currently a contingent employee of a medical team. And I would ask that the court consider the fact that she's here accepting responsibility. Previously, she had been before Your Honor, and she indicates that she was a little confused by the questioning today. We were better prepared for that, Your Honor. Thank you.
So our address for you in the file is Annapolis in Inkster. That's not a good mailing? All right, you want us to use that Farmington address?
It's a PO box. I think.
I've got 29. What do you got in the computer? You got Annapolis?
No, but it should be like a forwarding PO box.
Oh, PO Box 3511 in Farmington?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Yeah,
Okay.
I'll change it to this file.
All right. All right, are you working now?
She's a contingent employee at.
Yeah. Yeah. What's that look like? I mean, how many hours a week do you average?
It's probably day 16. This week I worked 3 or 4 doubles and 2 extra days just so I can try to get.
Right. So you can pick up extra when you need it.
Get when it happens.
Yeah. Yeah.
In between, buildings, because the building concert, in Westland, I was supposed to transfer out, but the other buildings don't have an open availability for me, so I just have to like.
Right.
So it's been a struggle, but they want to work on it.
You get good transportation? You're legal to drive, all that stuff?
Yeah, my license is good.
Yeah.
It was a restriction, but the restriction.
Then not the restrictions. Yeah, that's what I'm hearing.
Yeah. So here's what I'm going to do. And I understand you're living in Farmington, so I'm just going to give you the choice. It's $400 or 4 days on the court work program. So if you can, the days you pick them, you schedule the days, but when you walk out of here, you'll have a schedule. Each one of those days, you have to be back here that day between 8 and 8:30. All right. If you do that, then I won't charge any more money because you're already $2,300 in the hole with us. All right.
So would you prefer to pay the 400 additional that you're already owed, like you said, 2,000, or are you gonna sign up today for 4 days on the work program that are pre-scheduled?
And that's here, the previous
You'll
one.
have to be here. Right. Right. Right.
But then I can just not work the day shifts and, not pick up the day shifts and just come here.
Yeah.
You schedule, for example, you'll walk out of here today with 4 days on a schedule, and then you can work your real job around those. All right. And that might be, I don't know if they're talking to you about that downstairs, but we might be able to take care of some of that $2,000 the same way. All right. You're welcome.
maybe there's an additional money
Right.
that could be waived based on that work.
Yeah.
But for right now,
Yeah.
56 work and no additional fees.
Right.
Thank you
Right.
so much,
And,
Sharon.
remember that when you're talking to those people down there, they all work for me. So you tell them that Judge said I might be able to work off some of my money on that $2,300. And if we have to, we'll have another conversation.
Thank you very much, Sharon.
Laura.
Have a great day.
Bye, nice to see you tomorrow.
Oh, yes.
Inside the courtroom.